In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the number of pages in Google Docs. If you've ever needed to track the length of your document, or just wanted a quick way to check how many pages you've written so far, you're in the right place. There are two straightforward methods to easily find this information in Google Docs, and I'm here to guide you through each of them step by step. First, let's explore the simplest way using the scroll bar. This is a handy trick if you need to quickly check the number of pages without navigating away from your main writing screen. If you take a look at the right side of your Google Doc, you'll notice a vertical scroll bar. What you want to do is hover your cursor over this scroll bar. As soon as you do this, a small pop-up will appear near your cursor. Within that pop-up, you'll see the total number of pages currently in your document. This method is super quick and efficient because it doesn't require clicking through any menus. It's there, right in front of you, with just a hover. Now, if you prefer a more detailed view of your document's statistics, including the page count, the second method will suit you nicely. This involves using the Tools menu, which provides a bit more insight. To start, direct your attention to the menu bar at the top of your Google Docs interface. You'll see various tabs like File, Edit, and View. You want to click on the one that says Tools. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for the option labeled Word Count. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you do, a dialog box will appear on your screen. This box not only provides the word count, but also shows other useful statistics such as the character count and, crucially, the number of pages in your document. This dialog box presents a more comprehensive overview and can be quite useful, especially if you're working on a longer document and need detailed metrics. Both methods are quick and easy, so feel free to choose whichever one fits your needs at the moment. Whether you're in a hurry and just need a quick glance or you're conducting a more thorough check, Google Docs has got you covered with these tools. Remember, being familiar with these simple methods can significantly streamline your writing and editing process, making it more efficient and less cumbersome. Keep these tips in mind the next time you're working on a document in Google Docs, and you'll have one less thing to worry about. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any further questions or need additional assistance, don't hesitate to seek more resources or watch other tutorials available here. Happy writing!